He's a happy boy. He got some cotton candy Pikachu. Okay, do you like it?
Yes, it's my friend now. And I'm
Your
gonna
friend,
eat
but
it.
you have to eat your friend. Oh my God, the Sugar Ray.
Oh my god.
Come on, you start eating. That's so big, huh? Can you finish all of that?
Yes.
Oh, come on, you start eating.
Ah, Pikachu.
Oh, that's so yummy. Oh my God. Nahirapan pa siyang, saan ka magunang kagat? Sa ano? Sa ears. Hello? That's so, is it good? Ayan, ano yan? Nakakain ba yan? Baka hindi yan pwedeng kainin, ha?
Nakain siya, te.
Nakakain.
Nori soup.
Oh, you don't eat that. It looks like paper. Mukhang isang linggo mong kainan yan, bebe, ha?
May lista na doon.
Ayan siya. Humingi siya ng cotton candy. Today.
I will eat his cheeks.
Okay. You have to make sure you brush your teeth twice later, okay? Ano, cheese ba yan? Parang bubble gum yan, ha?
Hindi.
Ano sama na?
I
Tanawa ra, day?
Hindi naman. Hindi na.
Ay, pakita mo kay ate yung sama na. Basig candy na, ha? Aw, bubble gum na.
Cotton candy.
Ako, yung candy po. Oh, kakulay pa ng t-shirt mo yung Pikachu mo, ha?
MJ kasi yellow.
Dagwis bata, dagwirli pa dyan.
Isa ning tapsik.
Super shine. Oh, di ba? He's your friend and you're eating your friend. I think that's being cruel. You're eating your friend. No,
Pikachu, next time I will buy you again, okay? Because you're my friend.
oh, just. I think the best way to do it is you do like this, oh. Kurutin mong ganyan and then isubo mo ganyan.
I want to sit.
Ano ito ka?
Ayan siya, oh. Ang Pikachu niya, ang laki-laki. Diyos ko, ang ngipin ng anak ko nito. Mabungi na ni.
I never.
Enjoy eating, lalabs.
Ayaw.
Lalabs, enjoy eating.
Enjoy, guys.
Ala, tanawa ra, oh. Aray, ginoo ko ang kamaisa na. Share to your ates also. You cannot eat all of that. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Dali na, share mo kay ate mo. Maubos yung tit mo niyan. Pag nakakain pala ng cotton candy, you will be very energetic. Super shine. Allah. Ano yung epekto ros cotton candy? Na hyper among bata.
Asa ang break ni mo doon? Hindi ko po. Ang laro or may break.
Oh, I'm just a good dancer, Dad, oh. What dance you, Dad? That's because of cotton candy. It's the power of sugar, ate.
I said